Hello students, today I am taking a new topic in chapter number 5 and the name of the topic is sum of first n terms of an AP. In the previous topic we have taken nth term of AP, n and th it was. Now it is written here the sum of first n terms of an AP. You can put plural here, terms, more than one. So in this what we will do is, suppose somebody asks you that what is the sum of first 20 terms of an AP 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this. Now practically doing this is very complicated. Yes, but today I am explaining you one formula. With the help of this formula you can make it very simple, and that formula is, the formula for the sum of n terms is Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In this formula, the important part which is to be noticed is, here it is 2a, whereas in the formula of an it is a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the difference here. Now with the help of this formula we are able to find 10th term, means what is the number at the 10th serial number, and with the help of this formula we will be able to find the sum of all the first 10 terms, that is 2 plus 7 plus 12 plus and so on 17, like this, means you will be able to find the sum. So by using this formula, the value of a, as usual we have already read it, it is 2. The value of d is 7 minus 2, that is 5, and the value of n is 10. So by using the formula, it is S10, 10 upon 2, 2 into 2, 10 minus 1 into d. See this part. This part is very important. It is n by 2, 2a, the value of a is 2, n minus 1, the value of n is 10 minus 1, d, the value of d is 5. And even if I leave the sum here, then also you all can solve it. It is 4 plus 9 into 5, 45. So it is 5 into 49. So the answer is 245. So in this way, we can find the sum of the given terms of an AP. Here the given term is 10, so we can find the sum of first 10 sums of this AP. Just to make your ideas more strong, I am taking one more sum. That is the third problem in the exercise. Find the sum of, please see this, find the sum of first 100 terms. 100 terms of the AP, and the AP is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on. So in this, the value of A is 0.6, the value of D is 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1, and the value of N is 100. 100 terms. Now practically you see, it is quite very difficult, very difficult if you have 2.6 plus 1.7 plus 2.8 like this, up to how many terms? 100 terms. But if you use the formula, you will see that within seconds we will be getting the answer. So the next part is A100 equals to 100 upon 2, 2A. What is the value of A? 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into D. What is the value of D? 1.1. Please see this is the important step. And after this, even I can leave this sum here. I know that you can solve it, but still I am writing the steps. It is 50, 1.2 plus, it is 99 into 1.1. So it is 50 plus 1.2, and if you multiply 99, it is 108.9. You can multiply it. So the further part is 50 into, if you do the plus of these two, it is 110.1, and the final answer is 5505. This part is not important. The important part is only this step. if you put the proper value in the formula, the chances of mistake is very less. And if you want that this mistake doesn't happen, then you do more and more sums. Do the more and more practice from different books which are available with you other than NCERT. Otherwise, at the end of the chapter, I'll be giving you one worksheet. Then you can make your ideas more strong. So I hope it is clear to you. The formula, the first term, the common difference, the number of terms, put in the formula, you will get the answer. Thank you.